Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the HTML to JSON Smart Parser, which you can find on Apify and it's made by ParseForge. This is used to convert raw HTML into clean, structured JSON using AI. This actor takes HTML content and uses AI to extract meaningful information from it, like titles, prices, descriptions, images, or structured data, instead of just returning raw HTML tags. It's useful when you already have HTML from a website, like this demo, and you want to be able to use JSON without writing custom parsing logic. The input is flexible, but the key thing to understand is that you only need to use one HTML source per run. You can either fetch HTML from a URL, paste HTML directly, or upload an HTML file. For this example, we'll just paste this HTML URL. You can also specify which fields you wish to extract and add any system prompt if you want to make it more specific. If not, the AI will automatically extract the important information. Once you're ready, you click Run. We'll let the actor do its magic. After the run finishes, just a couple of seconds, you'll see the result, which you can export to your JSON file. And this is the result you get. This actor is ideal when you already have HTML and want structured data without writing parsers or selectors. Instead of manually cleaning HTML, you can convert it to usable JSON in a single run. So this is how the HTML to JSON Smart Parser works. If you have any issues, please let us know. And if you like this parser, please leave us a review. Thank you.